Article 370 of the Indian Constitution gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir, a state in India located in the northern part of the Indian subcontinent, and a part of the larger region of Kashmir, which has been the subject of dispute between India, Pakistan, and China since 1947, allowing it to have a separate constitution, a state flag, and autonomy over the internal administration of the state. The Government of India revoked this special status in August 2019 through a presidential order and the passage of a resolution in Parliament. The article was drafted in Part 21 of the Constitution, Temporary, Transitional, and Special Provisions. The Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir, after its establishment, was empowered to recommend the articles of the Indian Constitution that should be applied to the state or to abrogate the Article 370 altogether. After consultation with the state's Constituent Assembly, the 1954 presidential order was issued, specifying the articles of the Indian Constitution that applied to the state. Since the Constituent Assembly dissolved itself without recommending the abrogation of Article 370, the article was deemed to have become a permanent feature of the Indian Constitution. This article, along with Article 35A, defined that the Jammu and Kashmir state's residents live under a separate set of laws, including those related to citizenship, ownership of property, and fundamental rights, as compared to residents of other Indian states. As a result of this provision, Indian citizens from other states could not purchase land or property in Jammu and Kashmir. On August 5, 2019, President Ram Nath Kovind issued a constitutional order superseding the 1954 order and making all the provisions of the Indian Constitution applicable to Jammu and Kashmir. Following the resolutions passed in both houses of the Parliament, he issued a further order on 6 August declaring all the clauses of Article 370 except Clause 1 to be inoperative. In addition, the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act was passed by the Parliament, enacting the division of the state of Jammu and Kashmir into 2 union territories to be called Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Union Territory of Ladakh. The reorganization is scheduled to take place on October 31, 2019.